Guacamole Malubaton. Yup. Real quick, it is 10:15 p.m. I just worked an 8-hour shift. Normally I work 12-hour shifts, but I've been on call all weekend and been called in. I have a lot of work to do tomorrow. I have tomorrow technically off, but I have a whole list at my desk right now. So yeah, let's get started. I'm excited, and you probably will not see this cat in the next video. Peace out! So I recently discovered that making certificates of authenticity for your artwork is actually super important. Did not know this until I saw a TikTok of a girl doing this to her art. So here I am doing this to my first official painting that I've sold to a stranger across the country. All of my paintings so far I have sold to people that I know, like acquaintances, or, you know, I used to know them from working with them or going to school with them. So this was a huge deal for me, and I really wanted to be super professional. So here it is. So obviously it's the next day. I'm late on my video, so sorry about that. I just had surgery, so I feel kind of really tired, and I'm just trying to get my energy back. I don't know who I'm apologizing for because nobody watches my videos, but I guess I'm just apologizing to myself. Do better. Do better next time. Cat. I fell asleep that night is what I was going to say, and I didn't finish videotaping. What's new? Nothing. Nothing is new. I've been posting TikToks and yeah, doodles. I'm looking into selling NFTs on the crypto market. Somebody just went by. Fucking creepy old man. This whole process has been very tiring. I feel like I'm talking to myself a lot and there's nobody there, but that's okay. I kind of like talking to myself. I enjoy it anyway. Don't mind being by myself. I started taking art seriously in March, so I feel like I've gone a long ways already because now I have over 28,000 followers on TikTok and almost 600 on Instagram, and I'm getting more consistent commissions, so that's great. I get comments on my TikTok videos saying how like I'm inspiring and they love my art style, and it makes me feel really good about it, but I just feel like I'm nowhere close. I was like this for a really long time, and recently I just kind of went like this, but here's the top, you know? I love to create, I love to learn new things, I want to be an artist full time, but I just know it's going to take a very long time to get there, and when I commit to something, I stick with it. I mean, obviously I love doing this. I love making videos, I love creating art, I love talking to my fans online, I love that so much, but it's really hard to do 2 full-time jobs, and it's getting very tiring, and I feel like I'm not having a healthy work-life balance. I feel like I've been ignoring all of my friends here, so I really apologize for that. It's rough out here, dude. If you made it this far into my video, I appreciate you guys so much. Leave a comment and tell me where you're from and how you found me. Thank you.